At the moment, we are going to bring you, in fact, the top story, the channel that broke the truth about Aam Aadmi Party Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal's opulent Sheesh Mahal in April 2023 is back with the biggest and most explosive newsbreak of this election season. This is Operation Black Dollar, a story that has rattled Aam Aadmi Party so much that it has resorted to violent physical attacks on our crew. Times Now didn't cover during the Sheesh Mahal coverage, and neither will we back down in the face of Aam Aadmi Party's aggression and violence. Rattled by Times Now's Operation Black Dollar expose, Aam Aadmi Party resorted to absolute hooliganism today. Our reporter Akanksha Khajuria was reporting from outside AAP headquarters in Delhi. Aam Aadmi Party's media coordinator Vikas Yogi came out. He tried blocking her, unnerved by her straightforward and direct questions on Operation Black Dollar. He manhandled her, and then AAP workers unleashed a brutal physical attack on our video journalist Radhakrishnan. Our camera was broken. Wires of our equipment were damaged. If you remember, when we exposed the Sheesh Mahal truth, Aam Aadmi Party filed fake cases against our reporter Bhavna Kishore and arrested her as part of its shallow vendetta politics. Watch what happened to Akanksha and our video journalist just a few hours ago.
हम दुर्गेश पाठक से पूछने जा रहे हैं, उनका नाम आया है, ईडी ने यूनियन होम मिनिस्ट्री को लिखा है। दुर्गेश पाठक अंदर है। कहाँ है? आपने किससे परमिशन ली ऑफिस में जैसे एंट्री करने के लिए? यू आर लाइव, यू आर गोइंग लाइव। आप मीडिया टीम से बात करेंगे ना मैडम? हाँ, तो ऑफिस में अंदर एंटर ऐसे कैसे कर सकते हैं एकदम से? क्यों नहीं कर सकते? हम वो अंदर बैठे हैं, हम उनसे बात करने हैं। हमारा अंदर काम चल रहा है, तो आप हमें नहीं जाने देंगे अभी अंदर? बात कीजिए ना मेरे से आगे। नहीं, पहले हम दुर्गेश पाठक जिनका नाम आया है ईडी के काम चल रहा है, मतलब मेन ऑफिस में एंट्री कैसे कर सकते हैं? मीडिया टीम में आके बात कीजिए, मीडिया टीम से बात कीजिए। मीडिया टीम से हमें बात नहीं करनी है, हमें दुर्गेश पाठक से बात करनी है, हमें आम आदमी पार्टी के मिनिस्टर्स एमएलए से बात करनी है। आप उधर जाके बात कीजिए ना, आप डायरेक्ट। हम जा ही रहे हैं अंदर। किसी के ऑफिस में डायरेक्ट कैसे घुस सकती है? बात करके घुसेंगे। दुर्गेश पाठक का ऑफिस है, पब्लिक रिप्रेजेंटेटिव है, हम क्यों उनसे डायरेक्टली बात नहीं कर सकते? ही इज बीन इलेक्टेड बाय द पीपल, व्हाई कांट मीडिया स्पीक टू हिम? चल रहा है, पार्टी का काम चल रहा है, आप ये कैसे अंदर कैसे घुस रही है पार्टी ऑफिस के किसी के बीच? अच्छा, बोल रहे पहले आके हम मीडिया से बात करें, फिर आप हमें ब्लॉक कर देंगे। बाइट नाम, फिर आप हमें हम बात कैसे घुस सकती है? बंद आप ये तो दिस इज गोइंग लाइव ऑन टीवी। आप कैमरा सुनिए प्लीज। आपका ऑफिस नहीं है ये पब्लिक रिप्रेजेंटेटिव है। He's been elected by the people. Look at the arrogance of people here. They're trying to touch a camera. ऐसे कैमरा टूट जाएगा भाई। See what they've done. They're trying to break our camera here. Complete chaos here at the party.
Well, absolutely. See, right now Akanksha is going to call 100, and we are going to inform the police, the Delhi police, about exactly what happened, how our crew was heckled, how our video journalist was assaulted in front of the Aam Aadmi Party headquarters.
112 सेवा में आपका स्वागत है। सहायता के लिए 8 दबाएं। Welcome to 112 emergency service. Press 8 for assistance.
हेलो, मैं आकांक्षा बोल रही हूँ। मैं आम आदमी पार्टी हेडक्वार्टर के सामने से बोल रही हूँ। यहाँ पे मेरे साथ बदतमीजी की गई है और मेरे कैमरा पर्सन के साथ भी बदतमीजी की गई है आम आदमी पार्टी वर्कर्स के द्वारा। मैं अभी आम आदमी पार्टी हेलो,
नाम क्या आपका?
आकांक्षा बोल रही हूँ मैं, आकांक्षा खजूरिया।
आकांक्षा खजूरिया
जी।
कहाँ पे हो आप?
आम आदमी पार्टी हेडक्वार्टर के बाहर। हेलो,
एक मिनट। आम आदमी पार्टी हेडक्वार्टर के बाहर किसने किया?
आम आदमी पार्टी हेडक्वार्टर के अंदर बदतमीजी की गई है, मुझे गाली निकाली गई है, मेरे कैमरा पर्सन के सर पे मारा गया है और उसको धक्का मार के बाहर निकाला गया है आम आदमी पार्टी के कार्यकर्ता के द्वारा। तो आपकी जो भी पीसीआर जो भी है, आप प्लीज यहाँ जल्दी भेज दीजिए।
आप न्यूज रिपोर्टर हो ना?
हाँ, मैं न्यूज रिपोर्टर हूँ। मैं टाइम्स नाउ से बोल रही हूँ, न्यूज रिपोर्टर, और मेरे साथ मेरे कैमरा पर्सन है। हाँ जी।
आम आदमी पार्टी के कार्यकर्ताओं ने
बदतमीजी की है, मेरे कैमरा पर्सन को मारा है और मुझे गाली दी है। कैमरा तोड़ दिया है हमारा।
आपके साथ एब्यूजिंग की है। और कैमरामैन के साथ
कैमरामैन को मारा है, धक्का दिया है और उसका कैमरा तोड़ दिया है। सॉरी
मैम पुलिस स्टेशन पता है आपको कौन सा लगेगा?
पुलिस, आपके यहाँ कोई पीसीआर होगी तो आप भेजिए, पहले यहाँ पे भेजिए। हाँ प्लीज थोड़ा जल्दी भेजिए, यहाँ पे आसपास कार्यकर्ता भी हैं।
ओके मैडम भेज रहे हैं।
कितनी देर में आएगी पीसीआर वैन?
मैम जल्दी भेज देंगे।
हाँ प्लीज जल्दी भेज दीजिए।
So that was the moment really of the attack on Times Now's crew. In fact, Aam Aadmi Party's arrogance was on full display when the party refused to open its gates to let Delhi police personnel who reached the spot after receiving a complaint from Times Now's reporter Akanksha. Watch how they refused to open their gates. All right, and we're going to first bring you the moment of the attack on Times Now crew. Listen into this particular moment when the AAP cadre and the party workers as well as staff over there are attacking Times Now's crew. Three persons there on Radhakrishnan, preventing him, holding him from three different angles so that he cannot in fact shoot. And in fact, we are told he was also assaulted. Radhakrishnan has told us that he was slapped by one of those persons present there as well. This arrogance of the Aam Aadmi Party was on full display when they refused to open its gates to let Delhi police personnel in.
Has reached here. Let's try and see that whether Atishi is actually going to react on this issue or not. Ma'am, Shamim, Atishi, ma'am. Atishi, ma'am, our crew has been assaulted inside your office, ma'am. Atishi has in charge the Aam Aadmi Party's office. No reaction from the Aam Aadmi Party's leader and the MLA and the senior leader and the cabinet minister in the Aam Aadmi Party.
All right, that was, of course, a reaction coming in from Atishi when she was entering the party office. Priyank putting those questions, but Atishi, of course, no mood to listen over there is clearly evident. Clearly, this doesn't seem to be a very big deal for Aam Aadmi Party, because at the end of the day, the Aam Aadmi Party, which talks about democracy, which talks about acting against Tanashahi, the so-called crusaders, watch how they have blocked Delhi police as well. And let's quickly go across to our reporters who are joining us live. With us live is Akanksha Khajuria herself. We have with us also Priyank and Sabyasachi Bhavtosh also joining us at the moment. Akanksha, take us through what exactly has happened. I believe the police also wanted to go for a medical legal test. Has that been completed? And what are they telling you in terms of what action will be taken?
Well, absolutely. Now, Aam Aadmi Party is clearly rattled, Madhav. You saw that on screen, how their arrogance is on display. We went inside the party headquarters. We wanted to ask them pointed question on the allegation on Durgesh Pathak as far as that ED letter to Union Home Ministry is concerned. Just pointed questions. We wanted to go inside his office and ask him about this. But firstly, we were stopped by the security guard. Then all the party workers started gathering around us. Then came Vikas Yogi, who manages media for the Aam Aadmi Party. Firstly, he told me that I can't go inside. Then they started heckling my camera person. They started pushing him. The display of the camera got broken. Then they pushed him outside the party headquarters. Thankfully, I am a woman and I was not touched by them at all. But they put all their pressure on my camera person. They pushed him outside the party headquarters, and that is when one of them snatched the cable from the camera and hit it on his head. We are currently at LNJP Hospital, and right now his MLC is underway. In fact, the doctor has informed us that his CT scan would also be done in some time. So my camera person is very injured. There's swelling on his face. He's clearly in pain right now. He's sitting inside, and in just some time his MLC will be done. We will be going to the police station, and that is where we are hoping that FIR will be registered and inquiry will take place, because here here, three main people are involved. Firstly, I told you Vikas Yogi, who's the media coordinator of the Aam Aadmi Party. Then in the video, I'm sure you can see there is a person wearing green shirt and also a person wearing red shirt. The one wearing red shirt is the one.
All right, Akanksha, I'm told that there are more police officials who are entering the Aam Aadmi Party office. Let's cut across live to that. I believe Bhavtosh is with us. Bhavtosh, what's happening at the moment? I believe they are speaking to AAP Minister Atishi over there.
Yes, Madhav, in fact, senior officers of the rank of ACP have gone inside, and apart from senior officers, there are also beat constables as well as some sub-inspectors. They're all inside. In fact, as soon as the PCR call was made by Akanksha, it was taken on the priority basis. It's a distress call that she made. And once that was made and the medical examination started, it was taken on a very priority basis, and it was taken up by the senior officers. And we can see from the visuals that most of the senior officers from the central district are here inside. There are also lawyers from Aam Aadmi Party. And what has happened, and what we can tell our viewers from the visuals, is that senior officers are trying to ask the AAP workers, as well as those who were present inside, as to what exactly happened, what provoked them, what was the sequence of event, because actually, there was no reason for them to assault Akanksha and our video journalist Radhe. Akanksha was in fact asking a question. She wanted to speak to Durgesh Pathak, and you can see Atishi has now stepped out from the office. She is in fact talking to the ACP concerned, and she in fact has been asked to come outside from the office by the ACP, and we can in fact tell our viewers that police wants to take some kind of, you can see that AAP workers are putting some kind of placard on the gates. We are in fact trying to show the visuals to our viewers that this is how they are trying to block even the small visuals we are trying to show to our viewers. And what the police have told us, what sources in Delhi police have told us, is that police wants to know the exact sequence of event, and the visuals have been in fact captured by a video journalist Radhe, who has been assaulted, and also Akanksha, who has been abused and heckled by AAP workers, including Vikas Yogi, who in fact claims to the media coordinator, who claims that he is a media coordinator, but assaulted Akanksha as well as Radhe. And the police have now reached the spot. In fact, Atishi was the first one to reach here, and also Sandeep Pathak. From here, Aam Aadmi Party generally holds press conference, and you can see large number of police personnel are going inside. They want to record the statement of all those who were present inside when the assault happened. In fact, we'll try to be on the visuals. In fact, we want to stay on the visuals, and we want to give the exactly what happened or what is happening inside the Aam Aadmi Party office. You can see Atishi has been called outside. They want to record the statement of not only those who were inside, but also outside when Akanksha as well as Radhe were assaulted by Vikas Yogi and others who were present at that point of time.
Well, absolutely. And in Bhavtosh, let me quickly get in a word from Priyank as well as Sabyasachi, who are with us. Priyank, what are the senior Delhi police officials telling you? You have, of course, tracked crime for many years in Delhi. What are they telling you? What kind of a case does this qualify for, and what kind of action are they likely to take?
See, Madhav, the three sections are very important in this case, which will be certainly added in this FIR. One is outraging modesty of women, which was also seen in the case of Swati Maliwal. The second one is for criminal intimidation, because Akanksha was threatened, she was verbally abused by the AAP workers. And the third one is the section of assault. So these are the three sections which can be added in this FIR according to the Delhi police. It was a clear-cut instructions it was a clear-cut thing that when this particular incident has happened, we had to follow the norms. That's why we told the Delhi police to enter inside, and this is what they have done. While on the other side, being a citizen, law-abiding citizen, we have given a complaint. Akanksha and Radhe, both of them have gone through the MLC, and they will be filing the complaint at the IP State Police Station, which has to be converted into a FIR, looking at the sequence which has been captured on camera. And fortunately, this is not the Delhi Chief Minister's residence camera, which will be deleted. It is on-air thing, which has which will be taken as an evidence by the Delhi police.
Well, absolutely. And perhaps the second incident of assault, as far as Aam Aadmi Party's workers are concerned, that allegation at least that we're looking at after that particular incident that you referred to, Priyank. And let me get in Sabyasachi as well. Sabyasachi, you're at the IP State Police Station. Take us through what really the officials there are telling you in terms of whether they have formally begun the process of not just registering a case, but also registering an FIR as far as this particular complaint from Akanksha is concerned.
Well, absolutely. See, the officials from the IP State Police Station now have reached the Aam Aadmi Party headquarters. They have, see, after Akanksha's and camera person's Radha's medical is done, they would be brought here and the formal complaint would be registered, which will be turned into an FIR. Meanwhile, the visuals that we have seen, in fact, even outside the Aam Aadmi Party, how that several workers, just like a pack of hyenas, they were attacking Akanksha and video camera person Radha continuously. We had seen that the time and again this particular nature from the Aam Aadmi Party we had seen where they have been running away from tough questions whenever they are being asked. But today, when a female journalist was just doing her job, she was asking questions. But at this particular point, we had seen that, be it the media coordinator in charge or the several party workers who were present inside the party office, clearly were pushing camera person Radhakrishna and also abusing Akanksha, reporter. And the police, though they have reached the spot, but for quite some time, they did not open the gate. They were continuously guarding the gate and standing guarding the gate of the party office.
Well, Sabyasachi, we will come back to you as well as Priyank. Bhavtor Singh, of course, also continuing to report from the AAP headquarters where the police is currently in talks with senior AAP officials. We'll keep coming back to Akanksha as well because she was the one just doing her job, trying to contact a person whose name was in the documents that Times Now was exposing for the very first time. And that, in fact, led to a situation which was completely avoidable. They could have very clearly said no comment, but to have physically assaulted our reporters as well as our cameraman rather physically being assaulted over there, abused. Akanksha, of course, says she was abused over there by those persons who were present. That is not acceptable. Breaking the camera, completely unacceptable. I'd like to thank all our reporters for bringing us that quick update.